Okay, I just saw the coolest thing ever. Cory was throwing goldfish at a bunch of seagulls, and they were like all swarming around, like in the movie Alfred Hitchcock's The Birds. And we're gonna do an instant replay of it. Just in case you're wondering about the background, yes, we are vacationing in Florida. My mom's going over crazy about it.
Ready.
Okay, get out the goldfish, Douglas. Okay, let's throw them. Whoa! Let's get a better look at that. Whoa! That is like so cool. Actually, I don't think these are seagulls. I don't really know what breed of bird they are. But whatever it is, but who cares what breed of bird they are? It's awesome. Oh, I see they're all starting to leave. Yep. Yep. They almost have all the goldfish. Hey, I can see. Hey, Cory, I can see why they went after the goldfish, because they're so delicious. Oh, say hi to the camera, Mom.
Hi, camera.
Lots of birds. You know, Mom, the only scene you've actually seen from the birds is the crows attack the students, and that was enough. Oh, and you were able to watch Psycho. Right. Trust me, Psycho is a lot scarier than the birds.
Keep your sandals on, you because you have sandals.
Oh, there's one way down there. Focus, focus, Nathan. Focus. Focus on these birds. Okay. Bye, people. I'll be posting another video soon. But for now, bye.